Hey guys, welcome back to Fleet Friday. This week we're back at Roosevelt Island in Manhattan, and we're going to be taking a look at the SOC Dewatering Unit. It's a 2015 International with a 14-foot box and a lift gate. This unit is assigned on large-scale dewatering operations, such as flooded basements from water main breaks, any large-scale dewatering operations, large amounts of water in subcellars and cellars, in basements, and anywhere live electrical exists where the water might cut off the power. During storms like Hurricane Sandy with major flooding, dewatering operations gets restricted to nursing homes and hospitals due to the large quantity of people inside those types of buildings. This truck does say Rescue Operations, as this truck was supposed to replace the SOC compressor. Taking a look inside the cab here, this unit is equipped with an MDT, 2 radios, lights and sirens, CO and gas meter, an ABC fire extinguisher, and is staffed by a SOC Firefighter and officer, and responds citywide from Roosevelt Island for special calls. When this unit is assigned to a dewatering operations, TSU, SOC compressor, and a engine company is assigned to assist with hose and manpower. This unit has 3 Stanley Units, which are hydraulic pumps with the hoses to the right. And it has a lift gate here. Taking a look inside the truck here, and these yellow bags are wetsuits. We got jackets, headphones, wheel chuck, extension cords, electrical cords, tarps, toolbox, flashlights, socket sets, more headphones, Pelican Lights, portable lights, generator, extra hoses, another generator, more hoses, adapters, spanners. You got boots, traffic cones, more wetsuits, life vests, water suit, some buckets, extension cords. Got 3 Stanley Units, and the Stanley Unit hoses. Stanley Unit is a twin circuit portable hydraulic power unit. On this side we got all the Stanley Unit hoses. And then you have the submersible dewatering pumps. Outside compartment, you have your fuel and oils. Here's a few-minute clip on a dewatering operation in Manhattan. 100 engine companies and 15 ladder companies have small dewatering pumps, as well as the high-rise units, collapse units, TSU, Marine TAC, and a few other special units, BFUs. At SOC Deployment Center, they have large-scale dewatering operations for such as subways. Most of the companies that have the dewatering pumps are in prone areas that get flooded. But the main dewatering units is this dewatering unit, the 2 TSUs, and the Marine Tactical, as well as Marine 1 and Marine 9 have dewatering pumps. I'll list all the companies in the description. If you have any questions about dewatering operations, you can also leave them in the comments. And we'll see you guys next week on Next Week Fleet Friday.